Hello everyone, welcome back to Fun with Negi Sisters. So in this video I'm going to explain you the food chain of forest. So first of all I would like you to introduce the three main living organisms or three main types of living organisms in this food chain. First is the producers. Now producers are the living organisms which prepare their food themselves. In this life cycle and this food chain, the grass is the producer over here as it makes its own food by the help of the process of photosynthesis. And the second one is consumers. Now consumers are the living organisms which depend on the plants for their food, okay, which depends on the plant for their foods. And the third one are the decomposers. Decomposers are the living organisms which are dependent on the dead and decaying matters for their food. So in this food chain, the decomposer is the fungi and all these animals are the consumers. So now let's begin to understand this food chain. First, the grass is the producer, so then comes the grasshopper, which is the consumer, okay, which is the first consumer of this food chain. Then second comes this frog, which is the secondary consumer of this food chain. Then comes our snake, which is the tertiary consumer of this food chain. Then comes our hawk, which is the final consumer of this food chain. Then comes the fungi, which is the decomposer. So now here, I must tell you one very important point, that all the animals are dependent on the grass for their food. I hope you have understood, but let me give you an example to understand it in a better way. Now see, this is the grass. Okay, this is the grass. Now, if the grass is not there, then the grasshopper will be not there. Because it's not getting the food, so basically they are going to die. Then comes the frog. If the grasshopper is not there, what they will eat? So they will also die. Now comes the snake. Now snake will also be died because the frogs are not there. What they will eat? They will die. Then comes the hawk. It will also die because it's not getting its food to eat. So hence, we can say that all the organisms, all the living organisms of this food chain are directly or indirectly dependent upon the grass for their food. Okay. And now you will see what is the process or what's the function of this fungi in this food chain. So what is that the hawk, when it's died, it will just make the minerals, take the minerals out of the body of the hawk and then mix it with the soil to give it to the grass to grow very well. So I hope you have understood this food chain very well. Then if you have understood, then please like this video, and if you think that this video is very informative for you, then please like, share and subscribe our channel Fun with Negi Sisters for more new updates and more new scientific concepts. Till then, take care of yourself, friends.